In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the sugar crash edit trend on TikTok. This is a super cool trend and it's not that difficult to do. So if you follow the steps in this video, you'll have it down in no time. So the first step would be to head to the App Store on your phone. And then in the search bar of your App Store, you want to search for an app called CapCut. Tap on search. And it's this app right here. You want to go ahead and make sure that you have this installed. As you can see, I have it installed already. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, so now you'll click on new project and then you'll want to click on the video that you want to use for the sugar crash edit. So mine is this video right here. And then you can see a little circle at the top right of the screen. You want to tap on that to select it and then tap on add at the bottom right. And this is my video right now. So if I go ahead and play this video, you want to stop it at a point where you want to go ahead and add the effect. So I'll go right over there. So I've stopped my video at this point. So if I go ahead and tap on the timeline and then scroll to the right hand side underneath, you can see the menu over there. If you scroll all the way to the far right, you can see it says freeze. Go ahead and tap on freeze and that'll kind of split the clip. Then you want to scroll on the timeline to the part that's next to that clip on the right hand side. Tap on that, basically the ending of the video, and then you want to find the delete button. So the delete button's right here. So tap on delete and that gets rid of that part of the video. Now you want to tap on there where you freeze framed the video and you want to trim this to 0.5 seconds. So once it's been trimmed to 0.5 seconds, you want to go ahead and tap on the animation button at the bottom menu. That's going to animate the clip, and then you want to tap on the combo on the right hand side. And then for this, you want to go ahead and select the one that says 3D card 1. Go ahead and tap on 3D card 1. And there you go, just like that. Then you tap on the tick mark. And then you want to tap on the little back arrow to go back. And then you want to find where it says copy. So it says copy right below that clip. So click on copy. That basically makes a copy of that clip. And then I want to go ahead and find where it says animation again. There it says animation at the bottom. Tap on animation. Tap on combo again. And you want to go ahead and select 3D card 2. And then tap on the tick mark. Then you want to go ahead and go back again. Find where it says copy. There it says copy, tap on copy, and then go back to where it says animation, and you just want to repeat this process until you get to the fourth one. So we've done it 3 times, so I need to go back and then I need to find copy again, copy, then I need to scroll to the left and click on animation and then click on combo. Okay, so we're on the third one. So then you want to tap on 3D card 3 and then you want to tap on the tick mark, repeat this process one more time. So go ahead and find where it says copy, tap on copy, go back to where it says animation, tap on animation, tap on combo, and then tap on 3D card 4. And there you have it, just like that. So I can tap on the tick mark. And now if I go back to this video, you can go ahead and see what it looks like if I go ahead and play it. So I'll play it now. And there you can see where it says ending. If you go ahead and tap on ending, you can just delete that ending and that'll get rid of the watermark right at the end. So then you can scroll back and you can add any audio that you would like to add to this audio. I'm not going to add audio because I don't want to get a copyright strike. But then you would go ahead and tap on that little up arrow at the far right of the screen at the top. Then you want to export this in 1080p at 30 frames per second. Tap on the export button. And just like that, you have created your sugar crash edit for your TikTok profile. Then you can just tap on done, or you can tap on share to TikTok straight from within the app. And that would be how you do the sugar crash edit trend on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.